We no go let religion matter Dabaru Naija. Na Presido Buhari na im talk this one. This ogbonge informate wey dey reach una so na on top with tori for today. As Naija Presido Buhari don salute the kind join body wey dey for the followers of the two religion wey dey Naija, the one wey be Islam and Christianity. E tok say e no get how religion matter go take scatter the join body wey Naija people get. As e tok this one give leaders of the religious delegation wey come state house, kpakpa the Senegalese leader, as e tok say Tijaniya religion no be new matter to am or Naija people, as e salute dem say dem dey do peace matter well. Presido Buhari come tok say Naija people bin need better security, education and better life dem. E tok say na this one na im make im administration dey throway better body put on top economy wey go tanda well, the one wey go carry Naija people life waka go the next level. E tok say make dem help am greet Presido Macky Sall of Senegal, as im tell dem say im dey very close to the Presido, as the Presido of Senegal dey call am Baba. Leader of the delegation, Sheikh Mohammed Lamin Iyans, wey be ogbonge Muslim leader for West Africa pikin, e tok say im papa train am well on top love and respect, and this one dem dey show am to everybody wey dey Kano and for Naija dem. E tok say dem na part of Naija, as dem waka come na to work on top the relationship wey dey between dem and Naija to see say the relationship is strong well.
The intention is to advocate peace to the world generally. The need for all Muslims to really understand the true teaching of the Holy Prophet in trying to really add value to humanity, because our Holy Prophet said the best of human is one who adds more value to humanity. We are 100% in total support to the Mr. President. We are committed to his aspiration for this nation to prosper, for this nation to succeed.
E come pray say make the plans of Presido Buhari unto say make unity dey for religion matter, may e waka far, and may Baba God may e put better amen put. Now here we see the informate reach on top with tori for today, as Naija Presido Buhari don yarn am say religion matter no go fit Dabaru the country, as this one e no dey part of wetin Naija people wetin dem sabi do. Make una come sabi say this informate so na T Live Media na im dey knack am give una on top with tori for today. And to continue to dey get this ogbonge and clear informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for we YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Una fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media, as our website dey gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.